Hello, welcome to Tim Connolly Drums. Today's lesson is going to be something very cool that's used in music quite frequently, and that is the halftime groove. Now, the halftime groove can be played as quarter notes, eighth notes, a shuffle, 16th notes, basically anything that you can do with an eighth note groove, quarter note groove, or 16th note groove, even 32nd notes for that matter, can all be used as a halftime groove, okay? So what's happening in a halftime groove is basically we're cutting the beat in half. But the time, it's like a trick. The time still gets stated, for example, on the hi-hat. So you're playing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and normally in a simple rock beat, you would play the bass drum on 1 and 3, snare drum on 2 and 4. That's regular time. What happens is the hi-hat stays the same. You're still going to play those 8 eighth notes on the hi-hat, exactly the same as you would in regular time. But the bass drum in a simple halftime groove, like an entry-level halftime groove, the bass drum is only going to be on beat 1. The snare drum is only going to be on beat 3. So we've cut it back to 1 beat each in the bar. We kept the bass drum on beat 1, which is the same as in regular time, but we've changed where the snare drum lies to beat 3. All right, I'm going to demonstrate that now. Let's check it out. All right, so now I'm just going to play some examples of shifting from regular time into a halftime feel. All right, let's check that out. Okay, now we're going to go to the halftime groove as a shuffle, which is a different feel because the shuffle comes from a triplet point. So you're going to be thinking slightly differently than what you previously were. You've got a triplet feel, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. That's what the feel is based on, the shuffle. But you're actually only going to play the first and last beat of the triplet. So when you go 1 and or 1 triplet, you play the 1 and the or the 1 and the let. You skip the middle beat to create the shuffle. Here's what that sounds like. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take that halftime groove and we're just going to add a few more bass drum beats to the groove to make it a little bit more fuller, if you want to call it, all right? So let's check that out now. All right, so that's what a halftime groove sounds like, and that's what it sounds like to shift from regular time to halftime. Join me again soon. I got lots more stuff coming. Keep drumming and take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.